Bonjour, today we're going to talk about the conditional, should be chapter 8, part 2. Conditional, it's pretty straightforward. You think about something in the past that's going to have a consequence in the future. So in fact, it's a mix of past and future tense. When I say that, that means the ending of the conditional tense is going to be the same than the imperfect. And we're going to keep the R of the future. So I'm going to share my file and I'll show you that quickly. It's this one. Tac. So, conditionnel. Conditionnel, d'accord? Up. I like to say that this is what is happening in the past will have a consequence in the future. D'accord? So it's a mix. It's a mix between past and future. Okay? So meaning are of the future simple plus ending of imparfait. Which going to be what's going to be ré, ra, ré, ré, rayon, rayé, and ré. D'accord? So all of those, that's going to be my ending. As simple as that. Then you take the verb, you keep the R, for example, for parler, or you drop the R and you are descending. D'accord? So parler, what do I do? You drop this thing. Nope. You drop the R here. And it's going to be je parlerai, tu parleras, tu parlerais, tu parlerais, il, elle, on parlerait, nous parlerions, vous parleriez. And il, elle, oh, it's not in the page. Il, elle, parlerait. ENT. D'accord? So I have my ending. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, IENT, and that's the ending of the imparfait. And I also have the R of my future. D'accord? R, R, R. And that's important, okay? Be careful, make sure to put the S here for je, because je parlerai, if I don't write it down, if I don't put an S, it's going to be future simple. So for all of the tense, and why pick the same than they did, but I'm going to copy what they have because I'm not going to spend hours rewriting everything they did already. That's going to be what it's going to look like. D'accord? Maybe I can do something smart with this thing. Wrap in text. No tight. Sorry about that. Okay? And that would be perfect. This way you can see, hop là, parfait, what it will look like. Okay? Then I'm going to have my irregular verb. The irregular verb, when they have an irregular stem for the future, they're going to be the same for the conditional. They're going to have the same stem. D'accord? So again here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that. Or I could write it down, but it would be easier for me to copy it. And you're going to see the ending is the same, right? It's going to be, I want to see the R of my future. Okay? I want to see the R of my future and my ending of the imparfait. AIS, AIS, etc., etc., etc. D'accord? Donc, pour aller, it's IR, avoir, it's AUR, etc., etc. So, we know already those irregular stem. So, here I'm going to put irregular stem. Okay? I can put that maybe on italic. Okay? Irregular stem. And here I can put irregular stem. Regular stem. Ça marche? So, for that, that's pretty much it. My advice would be when you do the exercise, it would be, control Z, sorry, it will be to make sure to have your paper available here. So this way, the more you practice, the better you're going to get, right? When you do, if you do some exercise, have this folder available, okay? Open that and make sure you have all of the information you need right here. D'accord? Okay? So then, that's going to be for the conditional. Okay? The conditional also, you're going to see it with if I would. So, I forgot to give you an example in English here. I would speak, for example. That would be would in English. Conditional, it would be would. Okay? Here, we're going to have conditional avec si, la clause si. D'accord? La clause si. There we go. Okay? So for that, you say, if I was rich, I would buy a boat. If I was rich, I would buy a boat. D'accord? Et by the way, here, I would speak. I'd like to do that here. I would speak. This way, you know, that's pretty in blue. I would speak. You know the translation. It would be I would. I put that in green. I would speak. D'accord? Here, if I was rich, virgule, I would buy a boat. So if, it's C. Purple. I'm going to put that in purple. Here we go. So in French, which tense do I have here? Why I have was, so it's going to be imparfait. So si j'étais, that's imparfait, right? Riche, virgule, j'achèterais un. Wow. Did you see a boat? I know how to write boat, sorry. Well, hopefully I do not. Okay. J'achèterais un bateau. Okay. So si, it's my if. Was, that's my imparfait. J'étais. I can put that in a color if you want. I can put that in light green. J'étais, that's imparfait. We've done that before. And then I would buy. Hop là. I would buy. I'm going to put that in blue. That's my conditional. Okay? J'achèterai. And you can see here, I have the are of the future and my ending with imparfait IS. Okay? And that's pretty much it. So that's going to be with if. D'accord? If I was rich, I would. Okay? What else can I say about that? That would be pretty much it. Huh? If in one side you have imparfait, in the other side, you're going to have conditional. So, si plus imparfait plus conditional. Conditionnel. D'accord? That's pretty much it. That's going to be my result. You're going to have to be careful. Si plus on, it's always plus imparfait. D'accord? It is just a rule. Okay? So when you have on, you always put imparfait at the end. So do some exercise. Again, when you have a chance on your homework and follow that, and you see it is not complicated. You do have to be careful to notice the if here, si. Okay? You do that and you're going to be just fine. And then if we want to keep going, I probably mentioned that earlier. It would be something, le conditionnel de politesse. We're going to use conditional when we want to be polite. I would like a good grade. Well, you can be polite about it. You're going to have a good grade if you have a good test, but you can always ask politely. D'accord? I would like a good grade. Okay? So that's, I don't have if, but I have would and I'm being polite. Please, I would like a good grade. Great. Please, I would like a good grade. So, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. D'accord? That's being polite. Je voudrais une bonne note. D'accord? So, I would like, that's my conditional. I think we put blue earlier on. And je voudrais. Dun, 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 dun. That would be my conditional in French with the R. Yeah. D'accord? Je voudrais une bonne note. And that's pretty much it. D'accord? I could say also, oh, would you like a cup of water? D'accord? That's being polite. Est-ce que vous désireriez ou est-ce que vous aimeriez un verre d'eau? D'accord? So, we're going to use the conditionnel as well when we are being polite. Should I try to put everything in one page so I don't have to worry much about it? That would be fantastic. So you can see everything. Perfect. D'accord? So here we are. You have the lesson about the conditional. I would say the main thing will be, how do I build it? Okay? Because it's easy to recognize, how do I build the conditional? Well, you're going to build it, the are of the future with the ending of the imparfait. D'accord? And that will be the thing to remember. You do need to know your future and you do need to know your imparfait, but we've done that in the previous lesson. Okay? So if you have any question, please don't hesitate. Comment about it, and I would be more than happy to help you with it. Okay? I'm going to stop the sharing and I'm going to let you practice with it. Merci, au revoir.